Good morning. Today we are going on a quest. It's called Forest Quest. Do you know that forests are called lungs of our planet? Why is so? Let me know. Okay. So let's read your topic of the day. It's Forest Quest. You can open your book along with me and read along with me. Okay. Let's start. Read the clues given about different kinds of forests and choose the correct answers from the help box. Okay. The first one is these forests are dominated by pine and spruce trees. These forests have prolonged winters and get rainfall between 10 to 20 inches. So here are some forests which are found in cold regions and they get around 10 to 20 inches only of rainfall in a year, and they can survive prolonged winters. I'll also tell you some more cues. So these the plants, or sorry, the trees of these forests are adapted to withstand frigid temperature, means freezing temperature they can withstand, and they are also called as snow forest. They are found in North America and it covers most of the inland of Canada, Alaska, and parts of northern USA. Okay, so go through these clues and try to find out about this forest. Clear? Let's do the second one. This forest in California provides a diverse range of habitats, having 400 species of endemic and 200 species of rare vascular plants. What is endemic? Endemic means which are in danger, which are found only there. Okay, and a rare vascular means जो बहुत ही rarely found होते हैं. Unfortunately, it is threatened by grazing, fire, urbanization, logging and mining interest. लेकिन ये forest जो है अभी threatened है, means it has danger from grazing, जो cows वगैरह leave कर देते हैं लोग, fire, urbanization, शहरीकरण, नगरीकरण, logging and mining interest. Okay, so I'll tell you some more clues about this forest. Now this is US National Forest, and it has Yosemite National Park in the northwest side and Kings Canyon National Park in the south side. Okay, so find out this forest of USA. Okay, the next one is these forests occur in the hot wet regions around the equator. Where are they located? Around Earth's equator. They are filled with trees that stay green all year round, so they are also called evergreen forest. It has been estimated that more than half of the world's plant and animal species live in this forest. ठीक है, तो दुनिया के आधे से ज़्यादा प्लांट और एनिमल की स्पीशीज जो है दे कैन बी फाउंड इन दीज फॉरेस्ट. Let me tell you some more things. So these are the largest of these are in South America, Africa and Southeast Asia. Okay, and they get around 60 to 160 inches of rainfall in a year, which is almost equally distributed over the year. They do not have any dry season. Okay, so with help of these clues find the name of this forest. Okay, next one is this forest is a part of world's largest delta, and we already know which is world's largest delta, formed by the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. The name is said to be derived from the word Sundari, a reference to the large kind of Sundari trees that grows here. वहाँ पे कैसी trees होती हैं? Sundari trees. It is also the site of a tiger preservation project. ठीक है? I'll just give you another clue. It's in India. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead with the next one. This famous rainforest in Thailand is said to be over 160 million years old. How old? 160 million years old. So find this one. It has pretty much all the clues. The legendary home of Robin Hood. This forest in England is famous for its wildlife and nearly 1,000-year-old ancient oak tree. So where is this forest? It's in England. Okay, and it has been known as home of Robin Hood. Robin Hood, that was a story character. Okay, so let me tell you something more. This one is Royal Forest in Nottinghamshire, England, and it is called Royal Forest because the royals used to go for hunting in that forest. Okay, so let's see if you can find this one out or not. Okay, the next one is found in cool, rainy areas. These forests shed their leaves in autumn and grow new ones in spring. Okay, so in this forest, the trees lose their leaves, shed their leaves in autumn, and then when spring comes, they grow new ones. Okay, and this one, they are also known as dry forest. Okay, and broad leaf forest. Why they are called broadleaf forest? Because in most of their trees the leaves are wide and flat. Okay. Now where are these found? So these are found in eastern half of United States, Canada, Europe, parts of Russia, China, and Japan. Okay. Now the next one. The next one is these forests are found in areas that have moderate to heavy annual rainfall and long winters. Now what do we mean by moderate to heavy rainfall? That is 30 to 60 inches a year. They are similar in shape and height and often form a nearly uniform stand with a layer of low shrubs or herbs below. तो वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम होते हैं अपने शेप्स में यहाँ से वहाँ तक और नियरली यूनिफॉर्म दिखते हैं एक साथ जब होते हैं तो ठीक है पाइन्स स्प्रूस firs and larches are the dominant trees found here. These are some of the trees which are found in this particular forest. So let me tell you something more about this one also. These forests have cone bearing needle leaved or scale leaved evergreen trees. Okay, तो उनकी leaves कैसी होती है needle like या scale वाली होती हैं and they are adapted to survive long winters and moderate to high you can say summer. So they have warm summers and cool winters. Okay, they are found in northern parts of Europe, North America, and Asia, or you can say Eurasia. Okay, so let's see if you can find out all these forests. Let me know the answers once you are done with the worksheet. Tidbits. The floor of a coniferous forest is usually covered with a thick layer of dead leaves because they take a long time to rot in the cold, dark conditions. Okay, so here our topic completes. So do it in the book, search in Google, and let me know the answers. Okay, bye bye.